By the way, welcome back to Offroad Diaries. My name is Jonathan. Chris is over there. Baby Miles over there. We just came to stop by to support our friends for a second.
Far away another day. Simple things will come my way. It'd be worth it, stay with me. They will drag us in the dirt, say the things that make us hurt, but I'll never give you up. Burning with love, it will never go away. I will protect you always. Burning with love, that will never go away. I will protect you. Like a love song we remain, like a legend of today, like a bond that never breaks. We are unbreakable. Like a love song we remain, like a legend of today, like a picture in a frame. We are unbreakable.
Chris is over there. Baby Miles over there. We just came to stop by to support our friends for a second. I don't know if we'll stay here all night, but we'll at least catch some action. And then I'm gonna give you guys an update in a little while and tell y'all what we have going on. All right, guys, so they took a little intermission on the race for a second. Richard, we thought he rolled, but actually turns out he just broke a belt. Thank God, because you can't see all over this track. And then we got Colt over here. He changed his belt. I was telling him, I was like, man, I would hate to see you lose a race just because of a stupid belt. So he put a freshie on there. We cleaned his filter on there. Just kind of did a once over on the car. Ultimately, these two cars are probably the fastest drivers, although we do have Ken Block's son here, and he is racing in that Can-Am. The car's quick. Not as quick as these cars, but he's a very good driver. The problem is, so are Colt and Richard. I do got to say something, guys. It's pretty freaking impressive to have Ken Block's son out here racing at the Whiskey Throttle races. It's very humbling because it was somebody that I looked up to for many, many years before he was probably even born. So they're going to shoot it out. I think at the end of the day, between Clint and the black car, and then Richard Hill and Colt and Mika Block, those are probably going to be the 4 finalists, and they're going to shoot it out. If they don't, I'd be very surprised. So they're drawing in a hat, so it's you draw, all the ones go up against each other, all the twos go up against each other. There we go. Oh! Chases the race. Oh my God, Cole. Got 2 laps, baby. So Cole's clearly catching him. He's catching up to him. It's just a matter of Cam catching him to the last lap. Or just a checkered flag. That's depressing. That's very depressing. Although the kid can drive, you can't deny him of that. What do you think?
Tough loss, man. But you know, even the best mess up sometimes. Even the best mess up.
Yeah.
So, but we still cheer on our
So
Uncle Colt, huh?
we rooted for Uncle Colt. Yay! That makes me sad.
I know, dude.
Literally prepped everything, new belt, everything, just for a spin out. Those two are going to grudge match in a little while because the races are done and now they're going to grudge match. Okay, guys, now it's just some grudge racing. McKelvey decided to come back out and race after she rolled. I'm proud of her.
Like sweet. I'm like, no. $5? You have
No. You're good. He's good. What is up, everybody? Thank you so much for watching this video. I wasn't even actually planning on making a video, but I'm in between videos and I'm making another video that's going to be kind of long. I just want to wish all you fathers out there happy Father's Day. Yes, I'm 3 days late. I had an amazing Father's Day. We went to see the Karate Kid. I know Miles won't remember this, but we'll remember it. I got this awesome hat. It's probably backwards on here, but it says All American Dad because I'm recording from my front camera on my phone. I'm currently watching a bunch of this nonsense where there's some crazy people that are not for America. Just letting you guys know I'm Mexican and I'm for America 100%. So, but that's neither here nor there. We're not going to be a political channel. But this nonsense probably should stop, and I don't want my son to grow up like this. That's for sure. I love everybody. I don't care if you're left, right, or in the middle. I'm a libertarian, so I'm all about I just want everybody to be happy. You know what I mean? That's all I want. But that's not what this is about. Guys, I'm in the middle of making another video that's preparing for our takeover in Coos Bay. We are so freaking excited right now. Patty Mayo is almost done. I'm going to be recording a bunch of stuff. That video will come out on Sunday. And by the time y'all see Sunday's video, we'll already be on our way to Coos Bay. We got a few of us, our Utah crew that's coming out to represent Utah out in Oregon. We're going to have a freaking blast, guys. And I'm going to do everything I can to keep on a schedule. I may miss a few days, may miss a week or so just from editing because I want our videos to be way above what they've been in the previous takeovers. The problem is when you start editing, you kind of come into like a repetitious habit of editing all your videos kind of the same way. And I'm trying to break that cycle because I love to edit. And I'll find myself in a certain pattern of doing every single video the same way, and I don't want to do that. That's why this Whiskey Throttle race video is a little bit different. It was not the same as our normal ones. And this video is just to, like I said, support our crew, our Whiskey Throttle crew that is putting on these races, working extra hard. I took this couple last races off from emceeing with Drew. I might step back in towards the end of the summer and jump back on emceeing. I've just been so busy, and having a son makes things different, but we love you guys so much. We appreciate y'all so much. And you guys, we are about to get into the good stuff. I've got a whole new approach to doing takeover videos for this season. And we have an FPV drone now versus our other drone. We got all kinds of cool stuff. You'll probably see the FPV drone because I might just drop a raw video tomorrow for no reason at all of us opening up our FPV. But thank you guys. Thank y'all for watching. If you have cool ideas, if you're going to Coos Bay, you want to see us, let me know. I may organize a group ride that's separate from anything to do with takeover, but just for Off-Road Diaries subscribers. And we'll go out and have a freaking blast. We're so close to 10,000, guys. If you're not subscribed to our channel, please do. We're going to do a giveaway that we're going to announce on our next video for our 10,000 subscribers. And we're going to do something fun and special for you guys, and we are excited about it. So if you're a true subscriber, we're about to hit 10K. If you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe. We're not going to make millions of dollars off of YouTube. We don't do this to make money. We do this to have fun and share our videos. And pardon all of the protesting in the background. I've been diving deep into the basket of chaos, but we love y'all. Have a good night. Bye.